Hello everybody, here we are with your friend and Ramiz the biochemist and Shiva, the CEO from Avazera.
Hello.
Right. Okay, like we were mentioning before, what's the osmosis and what's outside the cell and what's inside the cell. Okay, on the ions level, you have to have a balance between what's outside the cell and what's inside the cell. And very, very important to understand, there is some element outside the cell, some element inside the cell. And you have to balance them all to make sure that, the osmosis is good, which is like, like where is the water transportation goes.
Basically that the cell's functioning optimal.
Exactly.
And it helps you reach homeostasis at the cellular level.
Exactly. Homeostasis is very, very important because really what happens if anything goes higher, like we go outside and eat like lots of food which have high sodium, then really the sodium will be so high, outside the cell, and inside the cell, the potassium will be very low.
Because they directly they correlate.
There is no balance. Okay, that's why most of the time when you do like some analysis, you will see that really clear. And then really you have to understand one thing: as ions, there is always like sodium, magnesium, chloride, and calcium for outside the cell. Say it again, please. Sodium,
calcium, chloride,
magnesium.
and magnesium.
Yeah.
Magnesium.
This four
Okay, yeah.
outside the cell. What's inside the cell?
Shiva knows.
Okay, it was the 3 P's. So I believe one of them was protein,
Correct.
phosphorus,
Oh, good.
and potassium.
Good. Then this three.
I passed.
Right on, Kia. Then this three inside the cell. Then when you balance, you know how much, like we said that before, how much potassium you need per day. You need 4,800 ppm or microgram. Okay, that's almost, banana is 400. Then you need 12 banana per day to get your potassium, and that's very, very high. But on the other hand, we go outside and eat ketchup and eat so and so and put like lots of salt, and then the sodium will go high, the potassium will go low.
Okay.
There is nothing goes inside the cell. You feel tired and you don't have an energy and you cannot eat.